upon a time, on a hot day, there was a crow that was very thirsty. It searched for water all over the fields. It looked everywhere, but there was not a drop to drink. And all of us know how the rest of the story goes. A tale we listen to as babies, but still lingers in our minds. And many other such tales like The Hare and the Tortoise, The Cap Seller, etc. etc. Who did not like listening to these stories? Each of us has grown up hearing stories, immersing ourselves in their values, immersing ourselves into those fairy lands, and truth always triumphs endings. Stories have a wonderful magic. It makes us smile at hard times too. But you know something? Stories and the art of storytelling have also gone through hard times. Yes, we put them through hard times. But I'm glad they have emerged victorious and found newer places and newer avatars. Today, the way of narrating stories and the modes through which we hear them may have changed. I should rather say we watch stories today. Watching stories as web series, serials, dramas, movies, etc. In the olden times, most children in fact went to bed listening to stories, which was a kind of a culture world over. Later on, in the early 2000s, the art of narrating stories and the patience for listening them had all slowly faded away. And with that, storytelling had also faded. A few reasons for these being nuclear family lifestyle, busy parents with no time for stories, and busy life in general. Later on, with the evolution of technology, stories went through an evolutionary phase too. Thank God they did not die. They came in different modes through which a whole lot of visualizations unfolded. It took different shapes where visual effects had been added to stories to make it more realistic and relevant to today's children and today's audience. Over the years, the perception was that children lost interest in listening to stories. People stopped narrating them, and hence the number of storytellers dwindled. In fact, the fear was that they would die. But this, in my opinion, is a myth. The mode, the manner, the style, the platform, the effects, all of these may have changed, like everything else that had changed in our life. But stories exist. Have you heard about these online storytellers? Kamal Priti, also known as Kabuliwala from Delhi. Ritupurna Ghosh, the founder of Your Story Bag, a storyteller's tribe from Delhi. You know, they raise funds for COVID relief efforts through storytelling. Storyteller Priyanka Chatterjee, also known as Girl Purdidi. Vikram Sridhar narrates classical folk tales and mythological tales in social media. Here you see Janaki Sabesh from Tamil Nadu, who initially resisted virtual storytelling but eventually embraced it. These storytellers strongly believe that the digital space has the potential to strengthen the storytelling community and bring about a positive change. This initiative taken by the Indian authors is truly commendable. Think, without the widespread use of technology, would these storytellers been heard? Storytelling, along with technology, interconnected more and more audiences from the pandemic and still continues. People are utilizing the digital platform to its fullest potential such that they can make a living as they add more value to their passion, be it art, culture, or curated content including storytelling. The critics of the digital era may feel that the digital space has played a spoil sport and has ruined the art of storytelling. But no, I strongly believe that the digital space has not diminished the power of storytelling. Instead, it has blossomed into the most powerful form. Through immersive experiences, through augmented and virtual reality, transforming people's imagination to what was not possible before. The mode of narrating stories may have changed, but stories remain the same because the essence, the flavor, and the spirit of stories are mixed with me, with you, with everyone, and with everything in this world. Philip Pullman, the English writer, is not wrong when he says, after nourishment, shelter, and companionship, stories are the thing we need the most. Thank you.